Okay, welcome to the next video. We're on to the third rinse on medium load now. That's how high the water is on this one. Still got one more rinse though to do.